Hey folks, Nicole Happel with Top Tier Real Estate again. Today we are at my new listing at 1237 Highcrest Lane in northern Colorado Springs. Buyers, do you ever wish you could find a property with pine trees on it? Maybe a little land and space where the neighbors aren't so close together? Well, if you're wishing for that, your wish has just been granted because I'm standing at that property. That's right. Look at these views off of the back of the house. These pine trees are the backyard. The house itself is a custom home. It was built in 1997, but it has all kinds of upgraded features like a tile roof and a large finished walkout level basement, huge bedrooms, plenty of storage space, an oversized garage with a taller garage door for RV parking maybe. The house has so many cool upgrades that you just don't find in traditional homes these days. And I know you want to see it because how often do you get to see something like this? So if you do, give me a call. I'm Nicole with Top Tier Real Estate, and I'm happy to show it to you.